That was not good. You alright? That was a 10.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna try it. You alright?
I'm good.
You didn't break your collarbone, did you?
You dead, man?
Bye, guys. Hey.